The challenge in this problem is to see this as the actual formula for a derivative. So there's some curve in the plane, and the x value is approaching 2. Clearly our function is related to logs, and we know what log functions look like. So there's 2 points, and the derivative formula is a slope. It's the limit of the slope of some secant sign. So x is approaching 2, so we must be talking about the instantaneous slope as we get closer and closer to 2. Well, for the ordered pair, when the x-coordinate is x, the y-coordinate was the ln of x plus 4. And when the x-coordinate was 2, the y-coordinate was the natural log of 6. So this blue curve, for which this represents the limit as we get closer and closer to 2 of the slope of this yellow secant segment, must be the function y equals the natural log of, well, it looked like this x value plus 4. The x value plus 4, there it is. It's the natural log of x plus 4. And therefore, this is y prime where the x value is 2, which is choice B. And it's y prime of 2 because we're finding the slope y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 for these 2 points. We're finding the slope as x approaches 2. So eventually we have the instantaneous slope right at 2, which is f prime of 2, where our blue curve is the function y equals the natural log of x plus 4.